Let me be honest with you. There was a time when I checked my bank account every morning, hoping something had changed. It never did. I was working hard, doing everything I was supposed to do. But at the end of the month, nothing left. Zero. I remember sitting at my desk one night, phone in hand, scrolling through people talking about making money online, and I thought, is this real or is it just another lie? So I decided to try. Not because I had a plan, not because I had money. I tried because I had nothing to lose. The first week, nothing. The second week, still nothing. I almost quit. Honestly, I did quit. For 3 days, I closed everything and told myself it wasn't for me. But then something small happened. One notification, one message. Someone wanted to pay me. Not a lot, but it was real. That moment changed everything, not because of the money, because I finally knew it was possible. So here's exactly what I did and what you can do starting today. Step 1, I stopped trying to do everything. Most people fail online because they try 10 things at once. Drop shipping, NFTs, trading, affiliate marketing, all at the same time. That was me too. And it leads nowhere. I picked one thing, just one, freelance writing. I had no portfolio, no experience, just a laptop and a willingness to learn. Step 2, I offered my service for almost nothing at the beginning. I know that sounds wrong, but here's the truth. Your first goal is not money. Your first goal is proof. One client, one review, one result you can show the next person. I charged almost nothing for my first 2 projects, but those 2 projects gave me something money can't buy. Credibility. Step 3, I went where the clients already were. I didn't wait for clients to find me. I went to them. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn. I sent messages. I applied to jobs. Most people ignored me. Some said no, but a few said yes. And those few yeses, that's all it took. Step 4, I reinvested my time, not money. Every dollar I made, I saved. But every extra hour I had, I used to get better. I watched tutorials. I studied what top freelancers were doing. I rewrote my profile 5 times. Getting better was free, and getting better meant I could charge more. Step 5, I stayed consistent when it felt pointless. This is the step nobody talks about. There were weeks where nothing happened. No clients, no messages, nothing. Most people quit here, and I understand why. It feels like proof that it's not working. But consistency is not about motivation. It's about showing up even when results are slow, because results always come, just never when you expect them. 3 months after starting with zero, I hit my first $1,000. It didn't happen overnight, it wasn't magic, it was just 5 simple steps, repeated over and over until they worked. And here's what I want you to take from this video. You don't need money to start, you don't need a degree, you don't need to be special, you just need to start, stay consistent, and trust the process. If I could go back and tell myself one thing, it would be this: start smaller than you think you need to. Win small, then win bigger. That's it. If this video helped you, subscribe, because next week I'm going to show you exactly how to get your first client, even if you have 0 experience and 0 followers. See you there.